Okay, so let me show you the laziest way to make $150 or more per day using AI. Even if you've got zero tech skills, no experience, and no interest in building anything from scratch. This is a simple setup you can build once, and then just let AI do most of the heavy lifting. Hey, I'm Erin, and not that long ago I was working crazy hours, barely keeping up, and bouncing between side hustles that just never really worked. I tried dropshipping, freelancing, even crypto. And honestly, most of it took way too much time or made me next to nothing. At one point, I seriously thought making money online was only for tech geniuses. Then I came across a simple AI setup that completely flipped the game for me. Now I've got AI handling most of the work in the background, and I finally have something that runs without me being glued to my screen. And that's exactly what I'm going to walk you through today. Let's get into it. So here's how this lazy little system works to hit around $150 per day using AI. Just to be clear, this isn't some shady loophole or gimmick. It's about building one simple digital product, letting AI do like 80% of the work, and then using AI again to bring in customers. I'm going to break it down into 4 super simple steps. 1. Pick a lazy leverage idea. 2. Let AI build the product for you. 3. Set up a simple automated money page. 4. Turn attention into $150 per day with AI-generated content. And I'll show you how little traffic you actually need to make this work, even if you're starting with no audience at all. Step 1. Pick a lazy leverage idea that can actually pay. All right, let's start with the idea, because honestly, this is where most people get stuck. They totally overthink it. You don't need some giant 100-lesson course or be the next expert in your niche. Your first digital product can be super simple, like a short video mini course, a step-by-step PDF playbook, a template pack, or toolkit. The point here isn't to be a genius. It's just to be a few steps ahead of where you were not long ago and help someone else solve a real problem. Here are a few questions to get your brain going. What did you struggle with 6 to 12 months ago that you've now figured out? What's something people always ask you for help with? What's an annoying task you've managed to shortcut using AI? Some easy product ideas could be a 30-minute AI content planner for busy creators, a Notion system for freelancers to manage clients using AI, or maybe a simple AI job hunting toolkit with templates, prompts, and outreach messages. And here's the test. The lazy filter. Can you create it once and sell it over and over again without extra work? If that's a yes, you're good to go. That's the beauty of digital products. Build it once, let AI help, and deliver it automatically. No shipping, no customer service headaches. And if you're sitting there like, well, I don't even have an idea yet, don't stress. I'll show you how to come up with one, even if you're totally blank. But first, let's talk about how AI can build most of this thing for you. Step 2. Let AI build 80% of the product for you. Here's where things get really lazy, in the best way. Back in the day, creating a solid digital product could take months. You'd need to script everything, design it, film stuff, edit it. It was a full-on job. Now, you can stack a couple of AI tools and get almost all of that done in a few hours. A. Start with the outline. You just tell AI who your ideal buyer is, what problem you're solving, what format you want. PDF, course, toolkit, whatever. AI will then spit out a full outline, modules or chapters, clear learning outcomes, example ideas, and fast wins. That step alone saves you hours of planning. B. Turn that into real content. Next, tell AI something like, turn this outline into a full beginner-friendly script or guide. Step by step, please. And boom, it'll give you lesson scripts, explanations, checklists, prompts, even workbook-style questions. Now, you don't just copy and paste it as is. You'll want to add your own voice, tweak what doesn't feel right, trim the fluff, but now you're editing something that's already 90% done. C. Make it look good. Then you can use AI to create images or graphics, like covers, icons, mock-ups. Drop everything into a tool like Canva and export it as a clean, pro-looking PDF, or, if it's a video course, just screen record your slides and read the AI-generated script. No need to show your face. Let that sink in for a second. AI outlines it. AI writes it. AI helps you design it. You just tweak and ship. That's why this model is so high leverage. Low effort, low cost, no team, just you and some AI. Step 3. Set up a simple money page that sells and delivers automatically. All right, so your product's done. Now, how do you actually get paid? You set up a simple sales page using a platform that handles all the boring stuff, hosts your product, takes payments, delivers downloads, or grants access for customers. Lets you sell the same thing 1,000 times without lifting a finger. Most of these platforms are super affordable. Some are even free to start with. No coding, no shipping, no manual fulfillment. Now, your job is just to build a sales page that answers 3 basic things. Who's it for? What problem does it solve? What do they walk away with? And guess what? You don't even need to write this from scratch. Just tell AI what your product is, who it's for, any testimonials or stories you want to include. Then ask, write me a clean, simple sales page with a headline, bullets, short FAQ, and a story, in my voice. Paste that into your platform, connect it to payments, and boom, your money page is live. At that point, you've got everything in place to start making money while you sleep. Let's break that down real quick. Sell your product at $29. Just 6 sales a day equals $174 per day. Sell it at $49. Only 4 sales a day is $196 per day. And because you're selling a digital product, your margins are wild, like 70 to 80% in most cases. Step 4. Turn attention into $150 per day using AI content, even from scratch. So the big question is, how do I actually get those 4 to 6 sales per day? And this is where most people get discouraged. They think, I don't have an audience. I don't have a website. I can't afford ads. But here's the thing, you don't need any of that to get started. You can piggyback on platforms that already have tons of traffic, like YouTube, Medium, Substack, and just focus on giving value. A. Pick 1 or 2 free platforms. If you like video, go with YouTube. Even simple screen recordings work. Prefer writing? Substack or Medium is perfect. You could even do both. You're not trying to be Mr. Beast. You just need small pockets of attention from the right people. B. Let AI help you create content that sells without being salesy. Use AI to come up with video or article ideas related to your product. Write outlines, hooks, titles, descriptions. Turn parts of your product into bite-sized lessons you give away for free. That content does 2 things. 1, it helps people so they trust you. 2, it naturally points to your product as the next step. Example, let's say you're selling an AI job hunting toolkit. You post a video called How I'd Use AI to Land 3 Interviews This Week, even with no experience. You show part of your process, give real value, and then say, if you want the exact prompts and templates I use, it's all inside the toolkit. Links below. No pressure, no sleazy sales pitch. Just helpful content that leads to your product. C. Use AI for outreach and partnerships. You can also have AI. Find small creators, newsletters, or online communities that have your audience. Write quick personalized DMs or emails offering them free access or an affiliate deal. Again, AI helps you do the research, write the messages, and stay consistent. All of a sudden, your marketing just becomes checking stats, answering DMs, and posting helpful stuff, not grinding all day. Putting it all together, your $150 per day. Lazy AI blueprint. Let's zoom out real quick. Pick 1 simple problem you know how to solve. Use AI to build a digital product that solves it. Upload it to a platform that handles payments and delivery. Then use AI again to create content and outreach that brings people to your product. Price it at $29 to $49. Aim for 4 to 6 sales per day, and you're in that $150 a day range. Is it instant? No. Is it doable with a few months of focused, lazy consistency? Yeah, way more doable than most of the other business models out there. And here's the cool part. Once this is up and running, every little improvement, a better title, a clearer offer, 1 solid video, can help you earn more without working more. So now you've seen what I think is the real laziest way to make money with AI. Don't just use it to make random content. Use it to build a product once, automate the delivery, and only need a handful of daily buyers to hit your income goal. If you want me to go deeper on this in another video, drop a comment and let me know. And hey, if this gave you a game plan and you're into no BS, AI-powered income systems, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss what's next.